Okay, the question now is, are you eligible for PAWS Airdrop? So, PAWS has released their eligibility criteria and qualification. All you need to do is to go onto your PAWS app, log in, and you are here right now. So, I'm going to check my own. If you're one of those who mind PAWS, now let's do this. I'm going to check my own right away. So if you mind PAWS, quickly watch this video and do exactly what I'm doing right now. And once you're done doing that, please share it so that others too can benefit from this. Like our video and follow us by subscribing to our channel for more updates on PAWS and so many other crypto that are listing this particular month. So I click on check eligibility. So connect your wallets on the claim webpage to check eligibility for the draw. So I click on visit website. Let's watch. You can choose any of the browsers here. Let me use Chrome browser. Just let's watch this. Animals are done. It's PAWS season. It's still coming up because I know I've done something like this before. Just let's watch. Okay. Now, once you get yourself at this point, be sure that you have already also linked your wallet address last demanded some time ago. You can click on this drop down so that you can check. I click on it, you can see I've already linked up my wallet, both the Ton as well as the Solana wallet. So I click, see where I clicked on this top area where you have these 3 lines. I clicked on it. I'm seeing claim with that red. Let me click on claim, check eligibility. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So these are the eligibility criteria. Now, there are 4 of them. The system said number 1, verify on website. I've done that. Number 2, complete 30 quests. So, since we have been mining this, we are able to complete 30 quests. If you are not able to do that, then you must have invited up to 30 users. Now, say from Grinch, there was a time there was something, the thing got lost, and they asked for us to take an action that restored it. Did you do that? Now, activity check, this will be available soon. You could see these are the 4 major criteria for this. Very mandatory ones. Why these ones are recommended ones. Now, voting badge, explore ton, PAWS balance. I have 146, so they are looking at it as a minimum balance being 300,000 PAWS. But these ones are, optional requirements. But the mandatory ones are the ones you are seeing on top here. Verify, do this, do that. And then this one they have not put it. So once it's done, we are still going to check on this. So at this time, please check all of this and be sure you are standing a chance to partake in the airdrop, as everything we are doing here ends. Snapshot takes place on 14th of this month. That's 2 days from today, and after the snapshot, everything will be released. So make sure you've got this. Watch the video. If you are confused, you can also ask questions so that you can be guided. Follow through and don't forget to share with others. I'm going to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.